My dad was born in October of 1944 during World War II in Denmark. Well, at least I believe it was Denmark, because shortly after his birth, he ended up in an orphanage in Denmark. And I know what happened after that, but I don't know what happened before. I don't know anything about my family there, if I have any relatives, anything else. And I've always wondered. So when MyHeritage reached out to me to partner on a video, they asked if I was interested in finding those things out. I was like, yeah, definitely, 100%. I'm going to do my DNA results. Linda's going to do hers also, and we're going to see what we come up with. So we're going to do a DNA test today, and it's going to check what percentage we are out of 42 different ethnicities. I mean, I can't name 42 ethnicities. So you have 42 ethnicities in over 2,100 regions.
Wow.
And it's going to assign some percentages. Another cool thing it can do is it can actually match you to people by DNA. So you may have some like relatives you didn't know about. All right, so let's go on to how do we use this thing. So, do you have glasses?
Okay.
Okay, so here in the box we have our swab and a little activator that we're going to be doing it with, and a little container here and an envelope to return it.
Okay. Then it says, remove the cheek swab from its wrapper and use the swab head to scrape the inside of one of your cheeks while rotating the swab for 60 seconds.
Okay. Open the vial and insert the swab. Now push it all the way in. You see the black mark?
Mm-hmm.
It'll break there.
Oh.
So push
Really?
against the side. Look.
Okay.
Did it break off?
Yeah.
Nice job. Close the vial tightly.
Okay.
Place the closed vial on the cotton pad in the clear plastic bag.
This one. Okay.
Like this. Then it says, pay the postage and mail the envelope to our DNA lab. Once the lab receives the sample, we'll inform you via email. So it's been a few weeks, and Linda got an email that she had her results before I did, about 5 days before I did?
Yeah.
And then mine came in, so we've been waiting to do any of this. So we'll do it all together with you on camera. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
I think it will definitely do ladies first.
Okay. Let's do it.
So this is what I really like too. Once the results come in, there's a link in your email, and that's what we're going to show you here. So we're going to open up with Linda's.
Hold on. Let me get my glasses on.
Yeah, we're sitting in front of a small laptop here. All right, let's go.
Such suspense. Oh.
Spain. We knew that,
Yeah.
right? Linda's from Colombia, so that's not a big surprise.
What?
Scandinavian. It's 26.3% Scandinavian. The percentages are showing up over there.
Maybe we're cousins.
Maybe we're cousins. They're related. I don't know.
Mesoamerican and Andean.
8.1% Irish, Scottish, Welsh.
Well, we knew the Irish.
Yeah, from your dad's side, right?
Yeah.
And then 5 more ethnicities.
What?
Yeah, I'm curious.
More.
Let's see. Well, you thought you were some American Indian, right? But that didn't light
that
up.
does not show up at all.
No.
Somebody was telling stories.
Well, maybe. So we have view full ethnicity estimate. So let's go down what we didn't know. Oh, it breaks it down a little bit more. 5% Eastern European. Looks like Ukraine, all that area.
Cool.
1.6% Finnish.
Wow.
Yeah,
I wouldn't have guessed that.
Well, that's all still the same Scandinavian area. 1.1% Balkan. 26.1 Mesoamerican and Dan here. So that's obviously your family's, you're born in Colombia.
Yeah.
So that's not.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. This doesn't make as much sense. So 2.6% Nigerian.
Huh. That is cool.
I would not have guessed that. And
No.
2.4% North African. That one's not as big a stretch because Spain is so close. So that's pretty cool. Any surprises there?
Well, yeah. I had no idea I had that much Scandinavian.
Yeah.
I mean, that's pretty
Yeah. I wonder what that's.
significant.
That is pretty significant. An interesting thing here is we have the DNA matches thing. So let's see what that looks like. So it's got 12,825 DNA matches.
Wow.
Second cousins. You don't see my name in there, right?
Thank goodness.
Well, we don't.
It hasn't come up yet.
We don't.
I think it might have come up like.
Hopefully, yeah, it'd be pretty high on the thing.
Tells you what percentage of the DNA is shared. That's cool.
That is pretty cool. Wow.
Parents, second cousin, parents, third cousin.
Is there anything else you want to see right now? Or
I don't think so. I want to see yours now.
okay. Paul, you are 68.9% English.
English? Huh.
Must be my mom's side.
Yeah, I think.
31.1% Scandinavian. And that's
that?
That's it.
What? Okay, well.
Not a lot going on in here.
Not a lot of variety.
Not a lot of variety in here.
Not like all those other circles on the other map.
I mean, look at me. I look pretty like Scandinavian-ish, Northern Europe kind of guy. But I still expected some, surprises. Like you were all over the place.
Bit, yeah.
You were all over the place.
All right.
Okay, now this is the big one: the DNA matches. That might be blank too. I still want to see your name in there.
No.
You have a lot of Scandinavian.
Yeah.
That was surprising. So we have over 10,000 DNA matches. Parents' first cousin, Norway.
Wow.
A lot of folks in Denmark. Third cousins. That's amazing. So there's all of these people appear to be related to that I had no idea any of this. I really expected when we did this that there may be a name or no names. I didn't expect to have 10,000 potential links of family members and family trees and all this stuff I've never knew existed. So I'll be spending a lot of time playing with that, and I don't know, maybe reach out to somebody, maybe not.
Cool.
I don't know.
Go take a trip to Denmark again.
Yeah, go take a trip to Denmark again. Just visit everybody, knock on doors. How's it going?
Hey, cousin.
Hey, cuz, where are we staying?
They'll be like, who are you?
I'll be like, what? I don't know about that. So if you'd like to try MyHeritage on your own, there is a promo running right now. And to find out all the details about it, you can just click on my link in the description section of this video. I'll also pin it to the top of the comments, or you can scan the QR code that appears on the screen. That's even easier, isn't it? Oh, and we actually have a little special code that you can type in, which is QRU, all caps, and you'll get free shipping.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
That's great. And as an added bonus, you can start a 30-day free trial of MyHeritage's best subscription for family history research. And I was playing with that a little bit. There's so much, there's so many resources in there that you can research all these, little family trees. And so you find someone like we just did, and then you can see their family tree and how that leads out. And you can find out all about your family. Just tons of information here. So that's what I'll be playing with later. What about you?
Same.
You're going to have to do it on your laptop because I'm going to open mine.
We're going to be busy.
But on different laptops, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed the video, just do us a favor and give it a thumbs up. And until next time.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.